What are you doing? What are you doing? Parker, where are you going?
Are you in the dump truck?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
Right here.
Do you want to go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there.
You do? You want to go out there?
Yeah.
What's out there?
Nothing.
Nothing. You sure you want your daddy to push you out there? Look at daddy.
Are you hungry, Dad?
You don't
Look
think
it.
you don't think that's dangerous?
I could probably do a half glass of wine and then eat. Or I could do.
Look at.
I could start doing the burger.
Ah!
What do you guys want?
Be nice. You're gonna go over backwards.
You gotta go backwards and bang your coconut.
Probably should do them pretty soon.
You want daddy to push you?
That's not safe.
You gotta take
Oh, there you go.
blood thinner.
Are you tired? Are you tired? Look at me, Parker Michael. I see you.